Hello, and this is Module 2, XR equipment suitable for learning, and the first unit covers some equipment made by Meta and HTC. So, there are, of course, XR software and hardware that can be used for education, and now in this Unit 1, we focus on XR technologies provided by Meta and HTC, and then there's assignment where you look for some sort of software that could be used for education with these devices. Learning outcomes, just will know about the current hardware available and common XR hardware use cases. First, there's general requirements for virtual reality glasses, some acronyms and terms that you should know. Then you can compare them between each other and know that which technical aspects are the most important for your case. 6 degrees of freedom is covered here, so that's the movement in the 3D space with virtual glasses. And then we go to the Meta, which used to be Facebook and Oculus before, but now it's Meta. Then there's the Meta Quest Pro and Meta Quest 2 covered here. First, there's a YouTube video link that shows the options that you have with these glasses. Another one for the Meta Quest Pro, and then you go to more detailed specs and what come when you buy the set. What you get is listed here, and this is how it looks. Another video showing you how to operate, and then more specs, what you need to use these glasses. And then the same things for the Meta Quest 2. And after that, we go to HTC Vive. Then there's 4 different virtual glasses listed here. So Vive Flow, Vive Pro series, Vive Focus series, and Vive Cosmos series. Again, video links that show what kind of devices are these. Like this. And then some example videos of the use cases that you might have with this equipment. And the self-learning exercise, first one, how to operate consumer virtual reality hardware. And it's important to make a difference between a consumer hardware and a professional hardware. Many times the consumer hardware, it's a lot easier to use, and then again the use cases are different. And when you go to the professional, it's expected that the users are professionals, so there's a difference in those. And that is the Unit 1. Thank you.